So next is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of fractions. So addition, so of course, kung maray calculator, tatagaan ko lang tagduhay ito. Addition, let's say you have an addition of 1/3 plus 2 all over 5. So dito yung plus tigbaw, dito yung plus over sa usually LCD. Pero malaksi ito kasi is multiply na lang ini. Multiply ini, of course, plus sabot nga, tapos multiply adi. So multiply ini, that should be a 5. Multiply adi, 3 times 2, that would be a plus man tirabot nga, that would be a plus 6. Tapos 3 times 5, that would be a 15. Ang malaksi. So that would give you a 11 all over 15. 11 all over 15. So 11 all over 15, that would be how much? In terms of decimal. 11 over 15, that would be mabutang akong 0, so mabutang ako down that. So how many 15s are there? I think there are 9. 9 na da. Or 8. Let's try 8. 8 times 5, that is 40. 0 carry 4. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 4, sobra na. So 7 na, 7. 7 para so you have 7. 7 times 5, of course that is 35. 35. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 3. That is a 10. So what remains is a 10 minus 5. That is a 5. So tanggal na nga 1 because baro ko na iya. So that is a 5. And then I'll add 0 to it. So 50, there are 7. 7 times, no. How much? No, there are only 3. 45. So 3 times 15 is 45. So that would be a 15. 10 minus 5 is 5. So that is 0 na. So another 50. So that is 7, 3, 3, 3, 3. So that is the answer must be 7, 3. 7, 3, that should be A, B, C, D, E, F. So has F, G. So G is 7 is G and 3 is A, B, C. So your answer must be A, G, C. Now I'll try. 1/3 plus 2 all over 5. So the answer is 11 all over 5. Tapos pilitong ko SD. So that would be a 0.733333. Okay? So that is addition. So addition. Actually, LCD, i-refresh ko lang iyo. Bahala ka mo kung ano tiyo pinakamaupay. Pwede ka kasi tumagunahuna. Ano man hira nga pareho hira pinakaguti ay and pinakaguti itong ubos. Kaya di ba, ito ruling lang itong addition, itong fraction is they must have the same denominator. So tayo kay waray man, so makukuha mo ito LCD. And the LCD, I think, is ginda times niya duha, which is 15. Waray naman ito iba. Ang LCD again ha is, gikukuha mo itong ira prime numbers lagi hapon. Anyway, ini waray, di man kailangan. So I think 15, so meaning you have to multiply this by 5, ngan 5 igbaw. Para 5 divided by 5, that's still 1. Okay, nagbutang lang akong 5 kay para magpareho ra 15. Adilot mo multiply mo 3, tapos ang igbaw mo multiply mo 3. So iniya magiging 5 all over 15, tapos plus adi magiging 6 all over 15. Kita niyo? So that would be a 5 plus 6. Pareho na tira ubos. Kakapiho mo na lang ubos sa 15 and then 6 plus 5, that would be 11. So anyway, bahala ka mo kung nain tiyo 1. But again, tikang didi, you do the fraction to decimal. Di what? Kay decimal nga tanan aton answer. Next is addition, subtraction. 1/2 minus 2 all over 7. So again, imong ko 2 all over 6. Para baga, again, the LCD would be 2 times 3. That would be a 6. So meaning, adi lang ang outside, himo niya 6. So the 1/2, you do multiply 1/2 with 3 all over 3. So 3 all over 3, minus 2 all over 6. Okay? So, 3 all over 3, kaya 3 all over 3, that is still 1. Para mag-una-una lang kung dapat pareho ra ubos 6, which is the LCD. So, 1 times, so, amo na tiya, 3 all over 6, nganhin, 3 all over 6 minus 2 all over 6, you would have a 3 minus 2, that is 3 minus 2 all over 6, which is 1 all over 6. So, 1 all over 6 is how much? 1 divided by 6 is mabutang kan 0, mabutang kan 1, 1 times 6 is 6, mabutang kan 40, then you would have how much? 6 times 4, 6 times 5, 6 times 6, 36, 6 times 6, 6 times 6, 36, then you would have again 10 minus 6 is 40. So 166666, so 17. Your answers should be a 1, 7, 1 and 7, A for 1, and 7 is G. So that should be an AG. So, again, pareho lang gapit yan ang kinsing ngayon. Multiply nga di, multiply nga di, multiply nga da. So, you have 6 times 1, that is 6. 2 times 2, that is 4. 2 times 6, that is 8, 12. So, 6 minus 4, that is 8, 2, all over 12. Now, your 12 can be divisible by, again, pwede mo tiibot ang tiya prime numbers, that is 2 and 2 and 3. So, makikita nimo makakancel nimo to, what remains is 1 all over 2 times 3, which is 1 all over 6. Okay? So, gamit talaga itong prime numbers. So, from the 1 all over 6, then you can derive the 0.17. Okay? 0.17. Maybe I'll have to use my calculator for checking. So, ano to? 1 half, 1 half, and then minus 2 all over 6. Shideng. So, 1 all over 6, and then 0.167. So, again, for checking only. Nagtatrabaho yung sir ha. Para tarabla kita, tarabla. Trabaho kita sir. So, that is addition, subtraction. How about multiplication? Multiplication and fraction. So, give mo multiply lang ba? Give mo multiply to boss. If you have 1 third times 3 all over 7, you multiply it ba 1 times 3. Multiply to boss, that is 3 times 7, that is 3 all over 21. And then you convert it to decimal. That's all. For divide, of course, for divide, 1/3 divided by 3 all over 7, that should be a 1/3 times. Babaliktad din mo ang 3 all over 7, which is 7 all over 3. And then, so what happens is you have multiply na hiya. So malaksi na. 7 times 1 is 7. 3 times 3 is 9. So the answer is 7 all over 9. Then convert it to your decimal for your letters. Okay? How about for integers na fraction pa? Sign. May sign yung mga ka-integers kasi is whole number. Di reda. Pwede da decimal. Pwede. Basta negative lang yung positive. Anyway, if you have a negative this one, so the rule in decimal, I mean in integers would follow. For example, you have a 2 divided by 5 divided by a 3 divided by 3 all over 4. So your answer should be a negative. So I'll put a negative 2. So your answer, because these are two numbers, so your answer must be negative. Because this is a positive, this is a negative. So that must be a negative number timo final answer. And then, pwede na nimo tanggalon lahat nga negative, tapos simon mo ka positive duha. So 2 times 2 all over 5, magiging times na 4 all over 3. Pero adi nga negative, negative itra nga tanan na. Of course. Okay, gimbaliktad mo. So you have 2 times 4. So you have 2 times 4, that is 6. 5 times 3 is all over 15. Okay, so your answer is 6 all over 15. May I check? 2 all over 5 divided by a negative 3 all over 4. Shideng, that would be 8. Oh, sa'yo, Piser. 2, 8 all over 15. Mamay, kaya di nga yan. 2 times 4, that's an 8. Mamay, sasayip kay Piser. Sabi talaga, calculator ba? Yung pag tinawaan, Piser bubulok. Kilat yan. Nagsasayip ko na tao. Sa, sir, kaya din lang kami mag-calculator ito. Kaya mga nito, pag mag-calculator nga ng lot kitainin, of course, may iba ta akong line of questioning. Ako man ito, pag sigurado nga talaga pulido ini. Sang nit sulod na lang kamo. Mag-calculator nga nito, taga damo nga number. Kay calculator, malati pa pagaganahon. Kapag ganahati yung utok. Okay? So, that is multiplication, division, fraction. That is topic number 4. Sige, I'll cut.